Meaning of fly agaric.
Fly agaric.
Fly agaric.
Fly agaric.
Fly agaric. Fly agaric refers to a type of mushroom commonly found in the northern hemisphere. It is known for its distinctive appearance, with a bright red cap and white spots. This mushroom contains several psychoactive compounds, including muscimol, which can cause hallucinations and feelings of euphoria when ingested. However, it is also toxic, and consuming too much can lead to nausea, vomiting, and even death. As a result, it is not recommended for recreational use and is classified as a controlled substance in some countries.